guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you with these silky scarves how to create some really cute hair looks. So I'm going to use two scarves. There are different sizes, one that is smaller and one that is a little bit bigger. The smaller one is 64 centimeters and the bigger one is 84 centimeters. So I'm going to use two different ones because depending on which style we are going to create, we are going to need a smaller one or a bigger one. These particular ones that I'm going to use are vintage. I stole them from my mom, but you can find this kind of scarves on your mom's closet, on thrift stores, and also in regular stores. Nowadays you can find this silky kind of scarves literally everywhere. But I cannot link these ones for you guys because they are vintage. So I cannot wait to show you guys these hair looks because they are so freaking cute. So without further ado, let's get on to this video. So for the first hair look, we are going to use this smaller scarf and we are going to fold it on a triangle, and then we are going to start folding it onto itself. Until we have it like this. So now we are going to just take it on our fingers and we are going to divide our hair on the middle, and we are going to create a braid using this scarf. Now we are going to kind of wrap this scarf around one section of our hair, like so. So now, as you can see, we have three sections of hair and we can start braiding. Okay, and now that we have our braid finished, we are going to grab a little elastic. If you have a transparent one, will work better, but I cannot find mine. So I'm going to use a white one, and this will also work pretty well. So we are just going to really carefully put the elastic at the end of the braid. And now to hide the elastic a little bit, what we can do is that we can grab one of the two ends of the scarf and we can wrap it around the elastic. Just like that. Okay, let's get on to the next one. Okay, so for this next one, we are just going to lift our scarf like this. We could also use the bigger scarf, but we are just going to use this one as it's already folded because I'm lazy. And we are just going to create a regular and simple ponytail. So we are just going to create a regular ponytail. You can make it higher or lower, tighter or looser, whatever you prefer. And then we are just going to place the scarf underneath the ponytail and we are just going to create a knot, and that's it. This is definitely the easier one, and you can also, if you prefer, you can also flip the scarf and just leave the knot of the scarf underneath the ponytail if you prefer this look. Next look. Okay, so for this next one we are going to need the bigger scarf, and this one may be my favorite look so far. So we are going to fold the scarf on a triangle, and then we are going to grab this part of the scarf and we are going to place this on our forehead like this. See? And we are going to try to put the middle section in the middle part of our forehead. And then we are going to grab the two ends and we are going to go onto the back of our head, and we are going to create a knot, leaving the triangle of the scarf underneath the knot that we are going to create. And just like so, you look like a parrot, but like a sexy parrot, and I freaking love this one. I think that this looks so stylish and so cool. And I think that if you're on a bad hair day, or if your hair is a little bit dirty because you need to wash it, I think that this is a great option to just pull your hair one more day before you wash it. And this look actually was on the Dior runway. So if this is not stylish, I don't know what it is. I freaking love this one, but I need to take it off. Okay, so this next one is really simple, but I also think that it's extremely cute. So we are just going to make a bun on top of our head. To be able to make the perfect bun, just in my opinion, what you have to do is you have to just take all your hair and then just start twisting your hair like so, as well as you are starting to create the bun. So you just need to twist, 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 and that was so creepy. Oh my god. So you just need to twist your hair as well as you're starting to create the bun. Keep twisting, and then just the end of your hair, just place it underneath the bun that you already created, and then you're just going to take that and put an elastic. And there you have it. In my opinion, this is the perfect bun, but it's just my opinion, okay? And then we are just going to take off just a little bit of baby hairs, if you have. I don't really have much baby hair, so I'm just going to take these ones from the side. And then for this one you can use the smaller scarf or the bigger one, but I'm going to use the bigger one, and I'm going to just fold it until we have a tube, I don't know how to say this. And then the end of the scarf where we have the triangle, we are going to place this here, and we are going to make 2 folds, and then I'm just going to create a knot like this, and another one if you prefer. And we are going to lift the rest of the scarf, just folding down. And that's it. This is so simple, but I think that it's also super cute. And if you want this part to be longer, instead of doing 2 wraps around the bun, you just have to do 1. And also, if you don't like that you have 2 different sections, you can grab the one that is on top and you can wrap it around it and just hide it, and then you just have 1. That probably looks a little bit better, but this just depends on what you prefer. Easy, right? This is so cute. I love it. Okay, so let's get on to the next one. Okay, so for this next one, I'm just going to lift the bun on top of my head because I need to have my hair out of my face, but you can just put your hair on a ponytail or wherever you prefer. So we are going to fold the scarf on a triangle, and then we are going to fold it one more time, and then just grab it like that. So then we have something like this, and I'm using the bigger scarf for this one. We definitely need a bigger scarf for this look. Now this part, again, the middle part, we're going to place this here on our neck, and then we are going to grab the 2 ends, put them on top, twisting them one time, and then twisting them another time. So then we have something like this that looks like a turban, that looks like, I call this look the turban. And then we are going to grab the 2 ends and just create a little knot here. If you want this to last for all day, you have to make this back knot a little tighter. And then you can definitely take the knot off, and with this look you can have your hair down like this, which I think that looks pretty good. I think that it's really beautiful, just like that, right? This is so simple and also looks so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with all these looks. What can I say? And again, if you have a little bit more baby hairs, you can definitely take them off. But I kind of like it to just cover my hairline. So yeah, I do like it a little bit more like this. Or maybe you can pull it a little bit down or just back, whatever you prefer again. So what I was saying is that you can just wear this one like this, just with your hair down and just like this. But also, if this starts to happen, I don't really like this. So what you can do is also just do a little ponytail, because I think that looks really beautiful also, or even a messy bun. See, you can also wear it like this, and I think that like this it also looks super pretty and so vintage and so, I don't know how to say this, so artsy. I love this one. These looks are for all your alter egos. If you are a painter or an artist, I think that this look is for you. Okay, next one. For this next one, we are going to grab this smaller scarf one more time. And first of all, I'm going to make a ponytail to just keep my hair out of my face. The trick also is to make the ponytail a little higher, because we are going to, again, do a knot here on our neck. And if the ponytail is too low, it will just get on the way and it's just a little bit more difficult. So we are going to grab this smaller scarf this time, and we are just going to fold it on a triangle one more time. And now we are going to grab the middle section right here, and we are going to place this on top of our head like this, just on our hairline. You have to try to have in your hairline the middle section of the scarf, and then we are going to grab the two ends and just make a knot here on the net. Okay, and then now, if you want, you can just leave it like this, just having your ears covered with your scarf. My ears are definitely on the bigger size, so if I can cover them, I'm really happy with that. So I'm just going to leave it like this, but if you have tiny, cute ears, you can just put the scarf behind your ears. But I'm just going to leave it like this. And then I'm just going to really carefully take off some baby hairs. And also, I'm going to just now take off the ponytail. So see, it looks something like this. And now I'm going to also try to take off my fringe without messing everything too much. This is what you don't have to do. I can fix it, it's okay. So I just grabbed a little bit, and then on the other side. Okay, that's it. I think that you can also take off the fringe before doing the ponytail. Maybe that will be a little bit easier, but this is just the way that I do it. You just have to decide how you prefer to do it. But this is it. This is the next look. I think that this looks super cute. This is a perfect look. If you go for a picnic and you want to take a couple pictures, this will look super cute. Okay, so we are going to move on to the last one. What is this? So for the last one, we are going to grab the bigger scarf one more time. We are going to fold it again on a triangle, and then we are going to grab the point of the triangle. We are going to fold it one more time, and then we are going to fold it one more time and one more time. So we just have created this kind of wider hairband. And now we are just going to leave our hair like this time, and we are going to grab this part where we can see the point of the scarf. I'm going to hide it just a little bit. So I'm just going to cover my hairline with that, just like this. See? So I'm just covering a little bit of my forehead, and then just like that I'm going to create a knot on the back of my head. So this look was also on the Dior runway, and I can definitely see why, because this looks so pretty and so cute and also really fashionable, and I'm really obsessed with it. And also it was extremely easy to create. I think that maybe the most difficult one maybe was the braid, because it's just a little bit tricky to do it with a scarf. But if you have longer hair, that hair look will look really pretty on yourself. So if you liked any of this, go ahead and grab yourself a silky scarf, because they are really on trend this season, and I think that they look so adorable. And for summer, if you want to cover your head or just look a little bit more put together, I think that it's a great accessory. It looks so fashionable and so cute, and you can be a different person. You can be a painter, you can be a farmer girl, or you can be a Dior runway model. Maybe. I don't know. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which hairstyle was your favorite. I'm freaking obsessed with all of them. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and let me know in the comments, because I have another video planned for you guys using hair scarves, because you can use hair scarves in so many different ways, and you can actually create some really cute tops and some really cute purses. So if you like this video, let me know if you would like to see the other video that I'm planning. And yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more content of mine in the future, click here and subscribe to my channel. I really hope to see you next week. Bye guys!